The only thing that we want is to make sure that polls are open on election day, to make sure that when a voter mails in their absentee ballot, that it's counted and processed in a timely and efficient manner. All we want to do is our jobs.
Supplies. Okay. So second floor was supplies. Third.
Any questions about that part? Yes.
So it's not automatically doing the specific verification,
No.
it's relying on the staff.
They all relies on staff.
So 2020 taught us a lot, and we're expanding a lot of security tools and protocols to make sure we're in the best posture to respond to any incidents and ensure we have a secure election as we've had in the past.
Republican votes matter! Republican votes matter! And there's tens of thousands of people chomping at the bit.
For counting board 55. Again.
They were unruly for the most part. It seemed to run amok. They tried to stop the process. They tried to intimidate the poll workers. They banged on our windows. Those are unacceptable actions and tactics, and they certainly won't happen again.